Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be drawing a waterfall scene. It's a scene of a waterfall with some splashing water at the bottom. So what we're going to do first is start about here and draw big round circle thing like that, then another thing like that. And then another small about in the middle, like that. So that's going to be the bubbly bit at the bottom. And then what we're going to draw now is a straight line from about here on that bubble, with a bubble on the right. Straight line upwards about that far. And then about halfway on that one. Roughly halfway on that one, draw a straight line to go in line with that. Like that, and join them at the top. Like that. It's quite an easy drawing. It looks cool. Like all of them, I say this every time. It looks cool, but it's really easy. And then what we're going to draw is diagonal line going like that on both sides, like that. Sort my page out, yeah, that's fine. And then now what we're going to draw is a tree line. It's going to be like a very wobbly kind of line like this, like that. And then draw again here, like that. Now, the reason I'm not drawing the ends of it is because when I'm colouring it in, I'm going to try and colour it so it's in a round kind of circle thing, so it's not... I think it will look cool when I finished it. If it doesn't look cool, then you probably won't see this video. But, and you'll see a different version of it. So now what we're going to draw to add detail to the waterfall is some lines like this. Like this, just going up, down, up. Like this, just small ones. I might speed this bit up. Okay, that's the outline done. This is a very short video, but as you can tell, it looks like a waterfall. You can tell it's a waterfall, and you'll definitely be able to tell it's a waterfall when I've coloured it in. So I'm going to speed this bit up. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to click that subscribe button if you want more content. I'll roughly try and do a video every week. Put down in the comments suggestions. If you're subscribed, you'll be more likely to have that suggestion made into a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy me colouring it in.